Ron here, just a quick little video here. This is actually made to be part of a bigger video, not a standalone. But just wanted to show you the new DJI Air 3S case. Now this case is probably the exact same case as the came with the Air 3 itself. The first time they released one of these little shoulder bags that I guess started with a mini series. They were in the Mini 2, the Air 2, the Air 2S. But of course, this is substantially bigger in those cases, and instead of being black, it's gray, and it has like a nice little latch here. Of course, it latches real easy, but when I'm trying to do it sideways, it's not going so well. And of course, it has a shoulder strap, adjustable shoulder strap here. So you just pull that to open it here. It has you can see everything laid out inside here. You don't have to dig to get anything out. Here's you pull the drone out, and it fits nice and snug in there. It actually has you won't be able to see it here, but it actually has a cutout in here to secure. There it is. You pull it to the top. A nice cutout there to secure the drone in there. And this one's cut out a lot better than the one that was in the first Air 3 case. That one, the drone didn't go all the way down. You have room for either the standard controller, the DJI RC2, and you also have room for the DJI Air 3 battery hub here, charging hub. And I keep the ND filters up here in this top mesh zipper pocket here. Here's the ND filters right up here, and I have additional cables and props up there also. So very handy. So that's just a little bit quick look at the case. There also is a carry handle back here and a little slot down here. You gotta have additional ND filters for another camera in there. So you have a very little handy bag here. It comes with a flymore combo, and it's not throwaway bag. I know some people swear by hard cases. I have plenty of hard cases; they're nice, but this is also a nice shoulder bag in case you don't want to walk around with a hard case. I don't know if you're out in touristy area or something like that. Where it looks like you got some kind of expensive gear in there. This looks like maybe, a little camera bag or shoulder bag, not necessarily a drone bag. So yeah, just a quick look, at the bag here. So, okay, we're going to go out for a nice flight now here. So hope you enjoyed this little short video, and we'll see you on the next time out flying the drone.